part 3.
50 miles and Armageddon continues.
Yeah. Seemed like was fine, but after like 1.5 hours we are in the same shit as we were.
Yeah.
But
no pizza curva.
exactly. Yeah. Nobody's overtaking us. Everybody's driving slow. But the weather is complete rubbish. But we will have a clean car.
Yeah.
From outside, not from inside.
From inside we'll have to work.
Maybe we will still see the tornado. We don't know.
And will be part 4 the tornado.
And yeah, tornado will be part 4. Once we will get through the tornado.
Inside the tornado.
Inside, yeah, we will have a nice tour.
Get to up, yeah. It will take us up, and we will take selfies and videos.
Selfies
and
mainly.
Mainly selfies. And tag us.
And yeah, and we will be tagged on every single picture.
Yeah.
So now it's good. Now it's a little bit better. See you in a part 4. Or in the center of the tornado, in the eye of the tornado.